Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by turning on switch control and adding a reliable switch because repeat forever depends on consistent input. Once done, assign the primary switch to select and confirm the switch responds to taps. Make sure scanning style is auto-scanning so the system advances automatically. Set scanning time to around 0, 5 to 1, 0 seconds for responsive repeats. Finally, set auto tap to your preference. This early configuration prevents timing issues later when we loop actions. Next, build a recipe that performs the action sequence you want to loop. Start by recording the exact steps. Select, then any weight or gesture like swipe or tap. This is the sequence switch control will repeat. Once the steps are correct, enable repeat and choose the mode that keeps it looping indefinitely, such as repeating while the recipe is active. Make sure gestures include explicit wait durations if timing matters. This prevents drift and ensures each cycle executes reliably. Finally, assign your new recipe to a switch or the switch control menu and activate it. This puts the repeat loop live. Test with short runs first, watching for missed gestures or timing drift, and adjust wait times or scanning time accordingly. If the sequence stops, reboot the device, rebind the physical switch, or recreate the recipe to clear corruption. One key troubleshooting tip: if repeats stutter, increase wait durations slightly and confirm auto tap and scanning settings, match the recipe time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.